Hey guys, this is Sherry to Sherry. We tried downloading the Little Caesars app to try the Pizza Portal pickup. So we downloaded, set up the profile, picked our pizza. The pizza build your own was fun and to see what new items they had. Thin crust pepperoni cheese we've tried before and it's a favorite. In the app we saw the Hula Hawaiian and wanted to try it. I wanted to try something different, so we tried the Quattro and it was really good too. We entered the coupon for the free 2-liter on pickup. The coolest part, it was Friday, it was slammed, there were elbow-to-elbow people. We were emailed our Pizza Portal pickup number, went in, punched the number in, got everything we got, our 3 pizzas and wings, and the drink, and was out in like less than 3 minutes, but everyone else was still waiting. So our personal experience was really good with ordering, picking up the Pizza Portal, made it great, and I'm not paid for by Little Caesars by doing this at all. It was just a great experience, and I'm sharing it with you. Hope your families can use it. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.